Barary Industries, a prominent leader in the manufacturing of machines and production lines, specializing particularly in date production lines and the chocolate industry. Over the past 15 years, we have earned the trust of over 300 esteemed clients, including some of the most prestigious manufacturers across the Emirates, Saudi Arabia, and the entire Middle East. At Barary Industries, our top priority is always quality. Established in 2009, Barary Industries LLC specializes in manufacturing, processing, installing, and servicing high-quality stainless steel food machinery that meets global standards. We supply a wide range of products to companies and clients across the Middle East and other countries. If you have a project involving food machinery and wish to incorporate European standard equipments, we are eager to help you find the most suitable and efficient solutions for your production needs. With our extensive expertise, we can match your requirement with the industry's top offerings. At Barary Industries LLC, we take pride in delivering superior quality products with competitive pricing and prompt delivery, while remaining dedicated to providing exceptional service and earning our customers' trust and goodwill.